Good morning, this is Barbara Campbell. This presentation is regarding the Ohio River Cleanup Project. So I did an analysis of the campaign poster that was sent to me. It has the wording, "Let's help them clean up," a celebrity endorsement with a picture of a celebrity, children playing in and beside the river, and the pollution on the riverbanks as well. So I did see many visual stereotypes, ethical issues, some digital alterations, and improper image acknowledgments. So ethical practices in the media should represent truths and should not be attempted to persuade the viewer. The picture of the celebrity has the viewer assume that he's endorsing this campaign. And if they don't endorse the issue or product or campaign in this issue, you can't put their picture on the project. Visual stereotyping of the children's race, they're African American children. They have been used along with the play of words that can be perceived as the black children are dirty and they need to be bathed. So let's help them clean up. That wording again, it just has a lot of insinuations behind that. The digital alteration of the children's weight, the color, and the dirtiness, it persuades the viewer to believe that the children are underprivileged or they're poor, underweight, possibly sick. Reminds me of like an Ethiopia ad campaign. So when using images from the internet, you must acknowledge the source. So a search engine can provide usage rights, and since images can be defined as intellectual property, it's best that you're getting those usage rights so you're not sued for payment. So I do have some suggested changes, changing that wording from let's help them clean up to let's clean up for them. So again, it insinuates that the children need to be clean versus the river needs to be clean. So by changing that to let's clean up for them, it's clear what we're cleaning. I used a picture with cultural diversity. So that doesn't suggest that the viewer doesn't perceive a stereotype that the race is thought to live near the polluted river or one race is dirty. Just changing that little piece of it. I would remove the celebrity from the ad since they don't endorse it. Again, removing that, that just helps not be sued later on. There's no need to digitally alter these images. Again, the media images should be, they should represent the truth and not try to sway a viewer in any direction or make them feel any way about that alteration. And then don't use images from the internet without the acknowledging the source. Again, they can be viewed as intellectual rights, and again, you can just be sued later on. So again, just cleaning up a few of those things. Again, putting that the ad council on there, so it's shown that where the images are, where they're coming from, and again, no alterations and no stereotype, and then we're not violating any ethical issues as well. Thank you.